Hey there! If you're running a foundation repair service in 2025, let me guess. You've got the tools, you've got the crew, you've even fixed some major jobs that others wouldn't touch. But despite all that hard work, you're still not getting consistent, high-quality clients coming through the door. Sound familiar? Here's the truth that most people won't tell you. In today's world, it's not just about being the best at your craft. It's about being the best at getting in front of people before your competition does, and converting those people into paying customers. And that's exactly what we're going to talk about today. Let's start with the real problem. Most foundation repair businesses still rely on old-school marketing. Flyers, yard signs, maybe a few referrals. And if you're lucky, your number shows up on Google. But here's the catch. By the time someone actually finds you, they've probably already contacted 2 or 3 of your competitors. And if you don't respond instantly, you lose that customer. That's money just gone. Now imagine this instead. Someone sees your offer online. They click a link. They fill out a simple form with their issue. And within seconds, they get a message confirming their request, along with info on how your service works. They can pick a time for an inspection, get pricing, even pay a deposit without you lifting a finger. That's not a dream. That's called automation, and it's how the smart foundation repair pros are doing business in 2025. See, the truth is, you shouldn't be spending your evenings calling people back, chasing leads, or answering the same questions over and over. That's what technology is for. And this is where a tool like Funnel Freedom comes in. Now listen, I'm not talking about a complicated website builder. Funnel Freedom is built specifically for local service businesses like yours. With this tool, you can set up a lead capture page that speaks directly to homeowners worried about cracks or sinking foundations. Automatically respond to leads by SMS or email. Let clients schedule inspections on your calendar. Collect deposits or payments, and even track every single lead from one simple dashboard. No more guesswork, no more missed calls. Just a smart system that works while you sleep. Let me give you a quick example. One foundation repair contractor I spoke with was struggling to book even 5 jobs a month. He thought he had a traffic problem. Turns out it was a conversion problem. People were visiting his site, but there was no system guiding them to take the next step. After installing a simple funnel using Funnel Freedom and automating his responses, he jumped to 18 booked jobs within the first 6 weeks. Same service, same area, but now he had a system. And here's the best part. You don't even need a full NEP site right now. You just need one powerful funnel page that turns interest into action. That's what funnelfreedom.io helps you build. It's like hiring a 24/7 sales rep who never sleeps, never forgets to follow up, and always says the right thing. Still unsure? Let's say you're busy on a job site. You miss a call. With Funnel Freedom, the lead still gets a professional message within seconds. They can still book. They can still ask questions through chat. And your system handles it while you're doing what you do best, fixing foundations. This isn't about replacing you. It's about multiplying your time. So now the big question. Are you ready to stop losing clients to slower, outdated systems and start building a pipeline of ready-to-book homeowners who need your help? If the answer is yes, I strongly recommend checking out funnelfreedom.io. Take 15 minutes to see how it works. You'll thank yourself later. And hey, if this video helped you even a little bit, hit that like button so I know this kind of content matters to you. And don't forget to subscribe, because next week I'll be dropping more step-by-step strategies to help local service businesses like yours grow faster and work smarter in 2025. Until then, stay sharp, stay booked, and let your business do the talking.